Ang ngiti mo, yan ang pinaka-effective mong accessory. It's the first thing people notice at yan ang true reflection ng confidence mo. But over time, ang mga daily habits natin like kape, tsaa at red wine can leave their mark, making your teeth a little less bright. Dito sa Tom Ford Dental Clinic, we believe na everyone deserves a smile that shines. Kaya we offer professional teeth whitening, isang safe at effective na paraan para ibalik ang ganda ng ngiti mo. Ang aming whitening procedure ay mabilis, comfortable at customized para sa iyo. Using a professional grade whitening gel and a state-of-the-art light, we can brighten your smile by several shades in just one single relaxing visit. Imagine leaving our clinic with a visibly whiter smile and a boost of confidence na mararamdaman mo agad. No more hiding your smile. It's time to share it with the world. Panahon na para mahalin mo ulit ang ngiti mo. Contact Tom Ford Dental Clinic today para magpa-schedule ng consultation at simulan ang journey mo to a brighter, more confident you.